Once, computers filled entire rooms, humming giants of light and logic. Then they shrank, faster than anyone could imagine, finding homes on our desks, in our hands, and now, inside our ideas. Each leap wasn't just about speed, it was about human imagination pushing the limits of possibility. Hi, I'm Arnold, and today on Brainwave Learning Hub, we'll explore how computers evolved from simple machines to the intelligent minds that shape our world. Stay with me, because the future of computing might just redefine what it means to be human.
Have you ever stopped to think about the computer in your hand or the one on your desk? These little boxes of magic have totally changed our world. I mean, completely. They went from being these giant, room-sized machines that only a few scientists could touch to devices so small they fit in our pockets. It's an insane journey. This change didn't happen overnight. It wasn't one big bang. It was a slow burn. It was a story built by dreamers, thinkers, tinkerers. This is the story of how we went from massive calculators to machines that can actually think. More than wires and code. It's about human imagination. Let's rewind the clock. Back to the 1940s, 1950s, 1960s. This was the dawn of computing. Forget sleek laptops. Think big, really big. The first electronic computers were absolute monsters. ENIAC, UNIVAC, they took up entire rooms. A maze of wires, vacuum tubes, glowing, blinking lights. You couldn't just type on a keyboard, oh no. Scientists fed punch cards, stacks and stacks. Slow and deliberate, like talking to a mechanical brain, built to crunch big, complicated numbers. They helped break codes in wartime and design rockets that would reach the moon. By our standards, they were slow. Back then, lightning fast, superheroes of calculation, data on giant spinning reels like an old sci-fi movie, serious, focused rooms, every calculation of victory, every printout, piece of the future, iconic visuals, endless racks, pioneers' faces, mountains of cards. These giants were the spark that lit a global fire. Fast forward to the 1970s and 1980s. Things are about to get personal. The giants started to shrink. The magic of the microprocessor arrived. Suddenly, computers didn't need their own zip code anymore. They could fit on a desk at home. This was the personal computer revolution, and it changed the game forever. Apple II, the Commodore 64, and the IBM PC. They popped up in living rooms, dens, schools. Clunky keys, boxy monitors, technology got friendly. People played colorful pixel games. They wrote their first lines of code in BASIC. School reports, family budgets, on a screen. Thin, square floppy disks, and that magical whir as programs loaded. A generation learned together. It demystified technology and put power in our hands. This was the chapter where the people joined the story. Now we hit the 1990s, early 2000s, and things get wild. All those computers were about to get connected. This was the internet age. It started with a sound, the screeching, buzzing of dial-up. A new world loading. Browsers like Netscape and Internet Explorer were our spaceships to strange digital lands. The web was clunky, slow, and absolutely exciting. Simple pages, flashing text, weird backgrounds. You could look up anything, dive into forums and chat rooms, talk to people across the world. Email changed everything. Instant messages instead of days of waiting. Online gaming took off, playing with people you'd never met. It rewired society, how we shop, learn, and make friends. Not perfect. Viruses, online privacy. But optimism was boundless. A global village forming. AOL pop-ups, buddy lists, simple blue links, beginnings of always-on life. Lonely PCs became nodes in a massive global brain. The world would never be the same. Welcome to the 2000s, 10s, and beyond. The modern digital era. The computer disappeared from the desk and reappeared in our hands, in our laps, and even on our faces. Sleek laptops, powerful tablets, the smartphone, the remote control for our lives, our camera, our map, our library, our window to the world, tools got incredibly powerful and incredibly easy. Anyone can be a creator. Shoot and edit a 4K movie on your phone, compose a symphony on a tablet, design a 3D model on a laptop. The cloud made everything flow. Files, photos, music, everywhere from anywhere. Elegant hardware, intuitive software. It just works. Sleek, dynamic, empowering. And that brings us to right now, and to the future. The rise of artificial intelligence. Computers used to just follow instructions. But AI is different. It learns. Machines that can see, listen, reason, and even create. They write, generate art, help discover new medicines. Robots perform delicate surgery and explore dangerous places. This isn't sci-fi, it's now. Big questions. Jobs, fairness, control. It's okay to be excited and a little nervous. The best lens, AI as collaborator, amplifying our intelligence. Let it take the boring, the repetitive, the incredibly complex, so we can be more creative and strategic. Imagine doctors diagnosing earlier, artists exploring new styles, scientists tackling climate change, from room-sized calculators to pocket supercomputers to machines that think, from ENIAC to AI, each era built on the last. Through it all, one constant, people. Keep humans at the center. Build AI that's fair, transparent, and lifts everyone. So, what amazing thing will we build next?